guys. So I'm doing the mermaid first tonight. Okay, so I just put the glitter on, super cute. There's different shapes. See the difference? Much better for a Friday night. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Now I'm just gonna do my eyeliner, my mascara, so I don't really need a filter anymore. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I used kind of infamous this Cake Face eyeshadow palette to do the blue and purple and brown and like highlight and the glitter and stuff. But now I'm going to take my Karis Cosmetics case with the glitter gels to go over the eyeshadow. And I'm going to use the purple one probably on the whole lid, because I don't really have a blue glitter gel, I don't think. Alright. Excuse the filter. I'm supposed to be using the applicator, I think, but if you liked it, then you should have put a ring on it.